Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! I'm thrilled to share how a simple 15-minute daily cardio workout helped me shed belly fat and get fit, no equipment required. I survived the struggle of ineffective workouts by finding a routine that truly works. My go-to exercises included jumping jacks, high knees, and burpees. These moves get your heart pumping and target those stubborn belly fat areas. I spent just 15 minutes each day on this workout. I committed to it no matter how busy my schedule was, proving that even a short burst of exercise can make a huge difference. I saved time and money by sticking to this no-equipment routine. No need for a gym membership or fancy gear, just a bit of space and my determination. I built not only a stronger core but also a more resilient mindset. The routine was challenging at first, but as I pushed through, I saw my belly fat melt away and my confidence grow. I got fantastic results. In a few short weeks, my body transformed. I felt lighter, healthier, and more energetic. The combination of cardio exercises delivered noticeable improvements both physically and mentally. Motivational tip: if you're juggling a busy life, Fresh Juice Original is perfect for making fresh smoothies on the go. With over 100 5-star reviews and free shipping, it's a great addition to your daily routine. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. It's highly rated with free shipping. Link in description. Looking to enhance your fitness journey? The Fitness Tracker is your ultimate tool for monitoring calories, steps, and sleep effortlessly. This waterproof smartband is a game changer for staying on top of your goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Keep pushing forward, stay consistent, and embrace the journey. You've got this.